Hello, kids. Today we're gonna talk about past continuous tense. Why do we use this tense in English? We use this tense to talk about a situation or an action or actions that were going on or happening at a certain moment or a certain time in the past. An example of that would be at this time last Saturday, Paul was playing in the park with his friends. We often use the past continuous to say what was in progress when something happened. For example, the phone rang while I was doing my homework. Another example would be I was reading a comic book while my sister was watching TV. As you see, these are interruptions. When I was walking along the road, I saw a car hit a motorbike. Keywords. While. While is used like an interruption. Last night, while I was sleeping, what occurred? What happened? What was the situation? The dog woke me up. As you see here, you're indicating while, and the interruption would be the dog. The action of the dog. It woke me up. What is the form or the structure to construct a past continuous tense? Here, as you see, we have the pronouns I, he, she, and it. It's followed by the was, which is like an auxiliary, and then you have the verb in the ing form. An example, I was studying, he was playing. Now as for the other pronouns, you, we, they, is followed by were. And as you see, it's the same verb for, which is ing form. Examples, you were reading, they were sleeping. What is the negative form? Same pronouns. I, he, she, it, wasn't. Or you can say was not. And the verb, as you see here, is exactly the same. Examples, I wasn't studying, or he wasn't playing. And as for the other pronouns, you, we, they, use weren't or were not. Plus the verb has to also be in ing form. For example, you weren't reading or they weren't sleeping. What is the question form? First you need the was, depending on the pronouns, and the verb also stays the same. Example, was he working? And as for were, as well, the same pronouns. And also the verb, which is now in ing form. Were they working? Short answers. Yes, he was. Yes, she was. Yes, it was. Or yes, you were. Yes, we were. Yes, they were. And as for no, as you see here, this wasn't. Thank you for your attention. And if you have any questions, ask me the next class.